heard Republicans like Lindsey Graham say that they're working with President Trump to change that. The president's been taking on China practically since day one of his administration. Remember, going back to the campaign. I know you don't, as a Democrat, don't agree with him on a lot, but is this something when this pandemic is through and when we feel like we finally have our arms around it, do you think this is something both parties can work on and say this supply chain stranglehold by China really doesn't make sense for America?
Yeah, I do. And honestly, I mean, I just introduced a piece of legislation called the Made in America Supply Chain Initiative. It won't help us with today, but the goal is that we will never again be hamstrung by all of our supplies coming from a foreign country when it's really so important for certain items. So I think this is absolutely an area where there's overlap. There's a bunch of Republicans interested in co-sponsoring my bill. I want it to be bipartisan because I don't think anyone wants to be beholden to another country in order to get our nurses the masks that they need. That's crazy. And I'm from the Pentagon, right? I used to be at the Pentagon, and there's a very clear Buy American provision in law on military equipment because we never wanted to depend on another country for our military hardware. We should have those same Buy American provisions on medical supplies.